Hello everybody, my name is Ellisa Cooper and this is the Cremant Project. So as I was thinking about how to talk about my favorite classification of wine, I realized that there really wasn't any place to start except with the one that started the love affair for me. So I have here Baumard Cremant de Loire, Carte, Turquoise. I was on a cross-country wine trip, stopped at a big wine thing in Chicago and met Florent, Baumard, and the whole team and the people who made this wine, and I simply fell in love with it. I think the reason I love Cremant de Loire so much is that it has that wonderful thing, and that is Chenin Blanc is usually, if it's a white, it's usually Chenin Blanc that is the primary grape there. This is Chenin and Chardonnay, most years about 60-40. Something you should know before you start opening wine bottles with sparkling wine in them, you should know that fully sparkling wines are bottled at about 7 to 8 atmospheres of pressure. This could come out at 30 miles an hour. The #1 cause of eye injury in France is indeed out of control champagne corks. So I'm going to, as you see, I don't take the cage off, and I'm simply going to twist the bottle. And as I twist the bottle, the cork is slipping out of the bottle and into my hand. There it goes, there it goes. Perfect. So Baumard, it's been a family owned and operated business for close to 200 years, maybe 100 years now that I think about it. Anyway, this is a lovely wine. And this is a wine that I have to shout out because, like I said, it started my love affair with Cremant. And the lovely people down here at on my street corner at Chelsea Wine Country. Chelsea Wine Country, there's so many, you guys. There's the vault, and there's the cellar, and there's this. This is Chelsea Wine Country down here at between 15th and 16th on 7th. They carry it here, $19.99 a bottle. Absolutely lovely wine. Oh, one of the things that makes this wine special is that it has a very, very, very low dosage, so it really is extra brut. And so it's super clean, and it always, I find, leads with its minerality. So, when you're out looking for wines to sample, don't forget about this. It's a beautiful bottle with a bright turquoise chevron right on the bottle. So thanks, guys. I hope you have something lovely in your glass, and I'll see you again soon on the Cremant Project. Thanks. Ciao, ciao.